The next expression. Let's see if this is a phrase now. Oh, it looks like a phrase, a very long phrase. La noche anterior. Oh my God, I need more space. La noche anterior. Let me see if this works. Yeah, that works. La noche anterior or anteanoche. So this is two terms. The first one is la noche anterior, the one at the top, right here. La noche. Oh my God, the underline is quite thick. La noche anterior. That's one term. And the second one is anteanoche. So you can use either one. Okay, they have the same meaning. So the meaning is, we need to know the meaning. What's the meaning? Oops. The night before last. Okay, so we have two different terms. Let's look at some examples to see how this works. The night before last. Okay, the first example is hablé con ella la noche anterior. This is a common term. Hablé con ella la noche anterior. The night before last. Hablé con ella. Okay, la noche anterior. This means I spoke to her the night before. Okay? Yo hablé con ella. That means I spoke to her. Spock. that is a name, Spock, from Star Trek. Yes. That's a great show. Anyway, hablé con ella. I spoke to her la noche anterior. Very simple. The night before. Once again, it's like saying yo hablé. Okay? Yo hablé. Past tense. I spoke to her. Okay? Con ella. It's like saying literally I spoke with her. Okay? I spoke with her. Ella in this situation means her, but it also means she. Okay? Hablé con ella, hablé con él, hablé con ellos, hablé contigo. So, hablar con is like saying I spoke to. Hablar con is like saying to speak to someone, right? You add the ella, a name, right? It could be a pronoun or a name. So that's something important to remember. Hablé con ella. I spoke to her. Excellent. The next phrase, the next example, we're going to use anteanoche. Okay. Anteanoche me enfermé. Anteanoche. That's quite a long word. Anteanoche. Me enfermé. This means I got sick or I didn't feel well. I was unwell the night before last. Okay? So we're technically just talking about the night before. Okay, the night before or the night before last. Anteanoche, the night before last or the night before. Me enfermé. I got sick. Me enfermé. Past tense. I got sick, right? I got unwell. I felt unwell, right? So just remember that la noche anterior, anteanoche mean the same thing, and that means the night before last or the night before. Okay? It's a long term, I would say. One is long and the other one is a bit complicated to pronounce. Anteanoche. But it's not that bad. I mean, it's not that bad.